Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice pencil sketch here. Alright, you can see a frame and let's start the drawing. First, we are going to draw a straight line here. Straight line coming up and it just runs through the right side of the borders. Putting the heels looks like this one. You can see the shades of the heels. Okay, in these portions also you can see the darker parts of the heels here, and you can see some reflections on the water of the heels. Also here some reflections falling on the water. So it's a straight line. Okay, and here you can draw a taller tree which is just going to be a curved line. Hopefully it's going to be a coconut tree. Just drawing the curved line like this. And drawing another one little bit wider other than the palm tree. Okay, just little curve at the bottom, and you can see some stones at the bottom here. Okay, another stones carvings. You can have the shades of the stones in one sides. Okay, all right. Just putting the shades here on the left side. You can use the crayons for better performance. Just putting the shades like one sides of the crayons, and you can put some rags for the convenience that it's a coconut tree. In some places you can have the rags here. Okay, and on the top you have the taller branches, lots of branches. Looks like this, lots of branches here. Just outline those branches, draw like me. So these are the details which is little bit time consuming, so making the drawing speed of the drawings little bit slower, but we have to do the details for the convenience of the better drawing here. Without the details it's not going to look good. Okay, so mostly you can see the basic outlines are just on the bottom part, and you can see the each leaves and the details on the bottom parts. Okay, so the coconut tree is almost finished the drawing. You can see a few coconuts on the top. Just I'm going to draw right now. All right, connecting these 2 points here. Now if you want to like to show this is a water body, you have to put few outlines, like it's not that much clearly visible, but as it comes closer then it's going to be visible. So let's put some reference lines, then we are going to draw along that reference lines. So this is the reference lines. Another one just going to be here. Okay, and you are going to put few stones at the bottom part of these reference lines. Okay, so as you know, the water falls from the high ground, so it looks like this. So usually this shows the steps, like from upper steps the water is going to the bottom steps downwards, so falling of the water from upper stream to the downstream. Okay, so usual presentations you can see of the waterscapes here. Mm-hmm. Also for the texture of the coconut tree, you can make some parts little bit more darker, some parts little bit less darker. And this is the finishing lines for the landscape. Okay, drawing few stones here. So let's put the drawing like this one here in the bottom. All right, and there's the drawing, the coconut tree, water body, the hills and mountains here. If you like, you can put few two or three bars looks like this. Okay, so that's a very good idea. All right, so thanks for watching, have a good day.